Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of narrative. In the form or concern with narration. For example, a narrative poem. American pronunciation. Narrative. Narrative. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Narrative. Say. Narrative. Narrative means, in form of narration. Narrative. Narrative. Narrative origin. Late Middle English as an adjectival, from French narratif and ive. Late Latin narrativus means, telling stories. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. There are, then, 3 narrative strands. Now, repeat after me. There are, then, 3 narrative strands. The second practice. His prose narratives, too, were bestsellers till the 18th century. Now, repeat after me. His prose narratives, too, were bestsellers till the 18th century.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.